How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So, I like companies that think outside the box. And I'm going to give you a company along with several items that they have designed recently. It's kind of a smaller company, but you may have heard of them, is Black Hills Designs Range R card. The folks that made this also make other things that are very interesting, and I want to share with you those products. Now, of course, this is just a Cana Provisions one, but this is the same thing. Black Hill Designs created the Range R card. This is a method for range determination at distance with no batteries. All you do is you put this in your teeth, hold it out 18 inches, and then these line up as in how high a person is, a door, a truck, a car, so you can get a rough range estimation. Now, those have been fairly popular, but there's a couple other items out here that they make and is really interesting. One of which is the rescue rod. It is simple. It is just these two little items here, as you can see, but these attach onto your Picatinny rail on your rifle, so a rod or a cleaning rod can go through them, and you can have these, you can do one or two, on your rifle. Now, why does that matter? Well, specifically, I always carry a rod on my rifle. My go-to-war rifle, in essence, it is always on here. As you see, there is a rifle or a rod right here that's tucked down the side. Mainly this is a key mod, and there's one on the other side as well, so there's two. So I can get a stuck cartridge out if necessary, or if I have a barrel obstruction, right? Okay, less capable because I have a suppressor, but still it might be something that occurs. Now, a lot of you probably go, hey, I'll just use a cable, right? Cables are very popular. Yes, these work, but if you've ever tried to get a barrel obstruction out with a cable, it is difficult, let's say. Not impossible, but I prefer carrying the rod on me. So this gives you the chance or the opportunity to do so. And I'll give a quick demonstration here on a rifle that has Picatinny, right? This is my clone build of my rifle at work, but this right here will clip in right here, and you can run the rod if it clips in. It's a little hard to push on, but once you get it on there, it's pretty good. That means the rod will lay right in there, and you won't even realize it that it's there, and it's always ready to go. So meaning if you need to, you can pull this rod out, and if you have two, right, clearly you would put them together in the moment, which I get it. It's not going to be the best thing in a combat situation. You're like, oh, hold on a second, let me put my rod together and all this stuff. Well, that is better than not having it at all. You're just discarding your rifle going, well, I don't have a rod, it's done. At least take, maybe the 15 seconds to put together a rod and push it through. Or just for cleaning purposes, you always have a cleaning rod on you. So this is pretty cool, fairly ingenious. As soon as I saw them, I was like, oh, that's actually really smart. I like having a rod on me. So here you go. You can do two. You can do them on the opposite sides, right? Have one on each side, however you want to set it up. These things are pretty cool. This is called the rescue rod from them. Now, another interesting product, too, revolves around the clicker, right? Of course, World War II, we're all familiar with, right? And the clicker, as in a way to communicate back and forth, giving a code if necessary. But he also did the same exact thing with this, as in you can attach this to your rifle. So you always have a device, on, this slips in here actually. Let me see if I can get it. It's the other way. Oh, wait, it goes like this. Ha, there we go. Struggling with it. But anyways, put it on, and meaning on your rifle, you can just use it. Now, that's SOP based upon maybe your team, your unit, stuff like that. I just think it's fairly ingenious, and honestly, it works. It's not like tying around your neck. Sure, you could do that. It's just another thing. I like companies that think outside the box, that do new things, that aren't afraid to push new things, and people are going to say, oh, that's so stupid, meh, meh, meh. Or is it? I mean, I don't know. This has a specific place designed for communication. Having it on your rifle, can help you out. Now, again, I'm not selling you on this product. I have no real affiliation with Black Hills Design. I've spoke to them a couple times, really good folks and whatnot. But ultimately, again, I like companies that progress to new things. They try things. They look outside the box. Cana Provisions is another company like that tries new things Full Tank Tactical. There's tons of other companies. Wazoo. I mean, I could just go on and on for these companies. You know, Core Performance, that kind of stuff that just test and try new things. And that is awesome. So some of them are a hit, some of them are not, but that's the whole point of it. So the rescue rod, in my opinion, super cool. I think you should look into it. You can probably 3D print these maybe. Probably has the, I have no idea if he has the blueprints up for him, whichever. I just think it's an interesting design. Go over, take a look at it. Not affiliated, don't get any money whatsoever. If you purchase 1,000 of these products, I will not see a single penny of it. Black Hills Design has no idea I'm doing this video whatsoever. I have no obligation to do so. I am just sharing cool, interesting new products that I like about the market. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, I will link the website in the description box below so you can get to it. Other than that, if you guys like this kind of stuff, me showing random new niche products out there, I guess you could say, definitely hit like, subscribe, give me a comment description, or give me a comment in the comment box below. Greatly appreciate it, and I hope y'all have a great day.